The USS George H.W. Bush, also known as CVN-77, is a really big ship. It's an aircraft carrier. This massive vessel is part of the Nimitz class, which is a group of 10 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers in the United States Navy. Named after the 41st President of the United States, George H.W. Bush, this ship is a marvel of modern engineering and naval power. That means it carries airplanes and helicopters. These aircraft are essential for a variety of missions, including reconnaissance, air support, and even humanitarian aid. The flight deck is bustling with activity as planes take off and land, showcasing the incredible coordination and skill of the crew. The Bush is one of the most powerful ships in the world. Its capabilities are unmatched, with advanced radar systems, defensive weapons, and a nuclear reactor that allows it to operate for over 20 years without refueling. This makes it a formidable presence on the high seas. It's like a floating city. With multiple decks, it has everything from sleeping quarters to dining facilities, medical centers, and even gyms. The ship is designed to be self-sufficient, capable of supporting its crew for extended periods at sea. The Bush is home to thousands of sailors. These men and women live and work on the ship, forming a tight-knit community. They come from all walks of life, united by their mission to serve and protect. They work hard to keep the ship running. Maintenance is a constant task, with sailors ensuring that every piece of equipment is in top condition. From the engines to the radar systems, everything must be meticulously maintained. They also fly and fix the planes. Pilots undergo rigorous training to operate the aircraft, while mechanics and engineers work tirelessly to keep them in perfect working order. This teamwork is crucial for the success of their missions. The USS Bush is important. Its strategic value cannot be overstated. Positioned in key areas around the world, it serves as a deterrent to potential threats and a symbol of American strength and resolve. It helps keep America safe. By projecting power and providing a rapid response capability, the Bush plays a vital role in national security. Its presence ensures that the United States can respond to crises anywhere in the world. It also helps our friends around the world. The USS Bush often works alongside allied navies, participating in joint exercises and missions. This cooperation strengthens international partnerships and promotes global stability. The USS Bush is huge. This massive aircraft carrier is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to project power and provide a mobile base for military operations. It's longer than 3 football fields. Imagine the sheer size and scale of this vessel. It's also very tall, towering above the water like a floating fortress. It's like a skyscraper on the water. The height of the USS Bush allows it to house multiple decks, each serving a unique purpose, from living quarters to command centers. This ship is fast, too. Despite its enormous size, the USS Bush can move with surprising speed and agility. It can go over 30 miles per hour. This speed allows it to quickly reposition itself in response to changing military needs. That's faster than most speedboats. The USS Bush's speed is a critical asset, enabling it to outpace many smaller vessels. The Bush has lots of cool technology. It has powerful radars. These advanced systems are essential for navigation and defense. These radars can see really far. They provide the ship with the ability to detect threats and targets at great distances, ensuring the safety of the crew and the success of their missions. It also has computers to help the sailors do their jobs. These computers are used for everything from navigation to communication, making the USS Bush a highly efficient and effective vessel. The USS Bush carries lots of airplanes. It also carries helicopters. These aircraft make up the carrier air wing. The air wing is like a flying army. It can attack enemies. It can also protect our friends. The pilots are very brave. They fly their planes in dangerous conditions. They work hard to keep us safe. Section 4. Missions of Peace and Strength. The Bush's deployments. The USS Bush has been on many missions. It has sailed all over the world. The Bush helps keep the seas safe. It also helps people in need. For example, it helped after the earthquake in Haiti. The sailors on the Bush are proud of their work. They know they are making a difference. Section 5. A Legacy of Service honoring President George H.W. Bush. This section is dedicated to celebrating the life and legacy of a man who dedicated his life to serving his country in various capacities. The USS Bush is named after a great American. This aircraft carrier stands as a testament to his enduring legacy and the values he held dear. It serves as a floating symbol of strength, resilience, and dedication. His name was George H.W. Bush, He was a man of many roles and responsibilities, each of which he fulfilled with unwavering commitment and integrity. From his early days in public service to his time as the nation's leader, he left an indelible mark on history. George Bush was a pilot in World War II. As a young man, he bravely took to the skies, demonstrating courage and a sense of duty that would define his entire career. His service during the war earned him numerous accolades and the respect of his peers. He was also the President of the United States. During his presidency, he navigated the country through significant global changes and challenges. His leadership was marked by a commitment to diplomacy, economic stability, and the promotion of democratic values. He believed in peace and freedom. Throughout his career, he worked tirelessly to foster international cooperation and understanding. His efforts in promoting peace and freedom have left a lasting impact on the world stage. The ship honors his legacy. The USS George H.W. Bush is more than just a vessel. It is a living tribute to a man who dedicated his life to the service of his country. The crew members aboard this ship carry forward his spirit of service and dedication. It shows the world what America stands for. The presence of this mighty ship in international waters serves as a reminder of the values that George H.W. Bush championed: freedom, democracy, and peace. It is a beacon of hope and a symbol of America's enduring commitment to these principles. Section 6. Guardian of the Seas, the enduring importance of the USS Bush. The USS George H.W. Bush is a powerful symbol. It shows the strength of the United States Navy. The Bush helps keep the world safe. It is a guardian of the seas. It will continue to serve our country for many years to come.